Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you all ways to charge. So the best way and the first way is preparing yourself a USB Type-C cable and plug it in this cable straight into your power brick. Then you have to plug this USB Type-C cable straight into your headphones. And as you can see, they are charging now. The second way is charging your headphones using your phone. You have to prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable and plug the first part of this cable straight into your headphones over here and the second part into your phone. And now if you look closely, you will see that your headphones are charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.